Are you tired of the daily grind? Do you want to make money online in 2023? Well, look no further. With Google News, you can make up to $1,400 daily for free. How? It's simple. Google News is constantly updated with fresh content from all around the world. And with over 2 billion monthly active users, there's no shortage of news to read. All you have to do is find trending articles, copy and paste snippets of them into your blog, and boom. The more traffic your blog gets, the more money you make. But wait, there's more. With the rise of artificial intelligence, you can automate the entire process. That means less work for you and more time to enjoy the fruits of your labor. So why wait? Start making money with Google News today and live the life you've always dreamed of. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on making money online. Also get a chance to win free money once we reach 9,000 subscribers just by leaving a comment in the comment section.